Valencia, guys. Forest camp. Absolutely amazing. Look. Look at this. Wow. Oh. That's the campiest I've ever seen you.
I am the forest camp.
I feel like Indiana Jones. Look at that. Hello, sir. Have we got iced tea?
Iced tea?
Yeah, C2, Nestea, anything? Have we got any iced tea?
Only iced tea picture.
Iced tea picture, how much?
A picture. You can have a picture of an iced
Feel
tea.
like iced tea?
A photograph.
Okay, 110, yeah, okay. Can I have a picture of iced tea, please?
Okay.
But can we make it weaker? 50% strength. Thank you. 50% strength on the iced tea because they always make it too strong. So just a little bit weaker because it's too sweet.
But our iced tea is only powder, sir.
Yeah, I know. So rather than put 2 spoons in,
Okay.
put 1 spoon in.
Okay.
Yeah, is that?
One picture?
Yes, please. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Only the picture, sir?
Can I get iced coffee?
Okay, for you.
With only
Yeah.
half ice, please. Thank you.
Perfect.
For iced coffee, it's shake.
Iced coffee shake?
Yes.
What do you mean?
It's shake
Milkshake.
type.
Milkshake type.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh.
If you want the iced milk,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
blended.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
coffee, yeah. Looks like you've got a bucket of San Miguelites in there. Have you got a bucket of San Miguelites in there? Have you?
Wait.
What have you got in there?
San Miguel. I will put San Miguel.
How many are you putting in there?
I just eat it.
And how many are you with you? Just you?
Is that just you?
Just you on your own, drinking 8 bottles?
Ah,
Girls?
3 girls.
You? Just 4 girls?
Amazing.
Where's the boyfriends?
Boyfriend? Yeah.
They're
Playing.
here.
Yes.
They're playing.
Well, that's not good.
Ah.
Your boyfriends are here.
Yes.
Get the boyfriends drunk and then we can steam in.
Well, you can. Speak for yourself. I'm spoken for.
Hiding around the corner.
But yeah, alright, babe. Are you ready?
Oh, where are we going? Let's sit here, aren't we? A bit?
Yeah.
Let's sit here.
Then we go there.
Just waiting for a drink, darling.
They also have horse riding. Forest.
Ah, thank you.
Wow, that's big. Picture?
Yeah, picture because I'm thirsty. Why do you think my laugh's funny? Every time I laugh like this, ha ha ha, you go, ha 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 ha.
It feels like not real.
You copying me. Yeah, but your laugh isn't real because you've copied me. So, John the Foreigner,
Johnny Foreigner.
or Johnny Foreigner, what'd you call me?
John the Fool.
Not Johnny Foreigner.
You're not Johnny.
I know, but that's what the slang for a bobo
I've got
foreigner
so many bites now.
is Johnny Foreigner. If you're a Johnny Foreigner, you're a silly foreigner.
Ah, silly.
Yeah.
You are.
Johnny Foreigner's like English for silly foreigner.
You are silly.
Valencia, guys. Forest camp. Absolutely amazing. Look. Look at this. That's the campiest I've ever seen you. Forest camp. I'm very camp at the forest camp.
I am the forest camp.
Hey, hello. How you doing? USA? How you doing, buddy? You alright? Nice to meet you, man.
How you doing, man?
United Kingdom, UK.
My
name's David. I've watched your channel. A long
Oh,
time.
right.
You only never have not even 1,000 people.
Yeah, really? Okay, yeah, yeah.
I've been watching for a while.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I didn't know you recognised
Just
her.
saying at the marina when I was there, I'm like, shoot, I hope I run into her.
Yeah, she's still there.
Oh, is it? There's Josh.
We just put them on the ferry just now. I just dropped them off. Yeah, we just put them back.
Over there to check them out too.
Oh yeah, yeah, they're nice people. They're nice people, really good. Yeah, we've been with them all week. We've been with. There's Philip, Big World Cinema. It's another channel. I lost a little bit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Big World Cinema.
Yeah, I know.
You know him, yeah?
I watch your channel.
Ah.
You look like you've lost weight too.
He's lost loads of weight. Yeah.
In person than you do on your channel. I lost 6 kilos in the last 2 months.
Is there a river? I'd like to get in a river. Is there a lagoon? It's big.
Good place to bring a lady.
Oh, luckily I've got one. Look.
If I had one.
Yeah. Oh, look, that's a lovely one. There's no one in this one.
That's horrible.
We're getting this one, yeah, and we go through there. Ride the rapids. After a few beers, I'd go through that. No! Get through it.
So all the waters here are
What?
flowing.
Oh, that's what I want, yeah.
Yeah. And they filter the water over there. They
Ah.
have filters.
And it
so
goes
that-
back on itself. They keep using the same water.
No, it's not the same water. They
Ah.
put filters with all the water coming
Ah,
in.
okay.
It's clean.
Right, so this is all powered by the stream, but they filter the stream water before it comes in here.
Yeah.
So it's all filtered.
You drink the
I
water.
don't know if you could drink
Can't
it,
drink it because
but
from
it's-
the river.
but it's from the river, but it's better. Oh look, they're cooking. So where's the pool we going in? This one? So many pools.
I think over there na lang.
Okay. Hello. You having a good time? Hello. That looks delicious. What are you eating? Ah, fantastic.
Hello, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
What are you eating? Chicken.
Manok. Lechon manok.
Let's see.
Ah. Thank you. Bye. Ah, yeah. Very nice. Hello, sir. Very nice. Look, you got your own swimming pool entrance. Right. So, how'd you get in the slide? Does the slide work? Oh, look. There's the balls. Right. I better take my clothes off.
Yeah, take your clothes off.
Whoa.
you're-
You know something? When you say that, it really, really gets me excited. When you say it again. Take your clothes off.
What if I say to you?
Clothes
Oh, don't. I'm confused now.
John, take your
We're at
clothes off.
Forest Camp. How camp do you want to be?
Philip will say that to you.
What?
I
That's
forgot
your
my tripod.
Don't pass the problem on to Philip. That's your problem. Hello, mate. Hello. You're such a cool dude. Everyone's like on their phones, Instagramming, taking great photos here. But can you blame them? Such a nice spot, isn't it? Beautiful.
Are you talking to me or are you answering your own questions?
I'm answering my own questions. Yeah.
Yes, it's a beautiful spot.
It is a beautiful spot.
It's a very beautiful spot.
Hopefully we might be able to find some girls to interview. Be great, wouldn't it? For the channel. Yeah. July's going to have a look as well.
Is she?
She's got some questions she's going to make.
Going to make some questions out of.
Thin air. Yeah. And now,
Yeah.
hopefully, I might get some footage of her in the water now. She's giving me her tripod back.
All right.
So that's good. But yeah, it's quite busy here. Quite busy. So, yeah. Nice place though.
It's a lovely place.
You feel
Yeah,
relaxed here? You
as
relaxed?
keep saying, yeah.
Sorry, I keep repeating myself. Yeah, it's a good place to have a photo shoot for sure. Shall we get in the water? Babe, you finished? No.
I can't focus if you're just
Say that word again, it turns me on.
I can't focus.
Focus! Alright, I'll leave you alone. Fantastic place though, guys. Look at the forest camp, look. Great. Got a lovely little spot here, really. We just got kiboshed by a load of July and Untold Stories fans over there. And everyone's here to get photos for their Instagram page and Facebook page. No, it's only shallow.
I'm only 5'4". 5'4"? I'm 5'3".
You said 5'4".
I said
You need to add an extra inch.
I thought I was 5'4", but
You thought you were 5'4". But now you're only really 5'3". You'll be fine.
Look, it says there it's 5 foot, so you're fine.
You're fine. There's 5 foot there.
5 foot, look, 5 foot.
You'll be fine.
it's 5'6".
Yes, good.
5 foot.
It's good.
5 foot.
You'll be fine. We've got 3 inches to spare.
You found?
Yeah.
How many you got?
10.
So do you want me to find a girl for interview?
Yes, yes.
One of these lot?
Yeah.
You come with me. Come with me. Because otherwise I look like a pervert. Come on. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Hello. Ah, it's cold. It's cold. Cold. Hello.
Pwede ma-interview ka mo sa channel na ako sa
Yeah.
July.
Wow!
Like fun. Ask question. Like about life or anything, guys.
Go on, two together, yeah? Both together?
That one,
Yeah, my battery's going, but you need to use your one.
I will
I've got
send-
4%.
I will send you the question
Okay. For what?
for them.
Okay.
Upload mo na rin.
Upload
Upload mo nga na.
Kita din namin. Alright, stand.
Philip's working hard.
That's why I said
Watch the master.
I like her work. Yeah, I like her lifestyle. You're just able to, travel from one place to another. And you can also cope up with the lifestyle while there are a lot of my list, but yeah. When I saw it on social media, it's really nice.
Always working.
I've been trying to bend the rules since I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving, wild and free. I can get it off, fill me to the top. Let me hear that champagne burst and pop. I just give 200% every day cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life, I'm bad at